Welcome back. This is Danielle from Explore Yourself Natural. Today we are going to be making a room spray. I wanted you to come along on a day with me. We're going to get a couple small tasks done before we start with the room spray with a full recipe. Now we are going to set up, get ourselves ready, sanitized, so we can start with our 2 and 4 ounce room sprays today. To get started, we are going to be making a 20 ounce total batch. We're going to start off with some distilled water. Now you could use distilled water, you could use a hydrosol, whatever you prefer. We are going to start off with 92% of a water mixture. 14.4 ounces of distilled water, and then 4 ounces of hydrosol. And for the hydrosol mixture today, I'm using homemade rose hydrosol. Next up, we're using polysorbate 20. This is going to combine your essential oil or fragrance oils and water together so they do not separate. We are going to use this at 2%, which would be 0.40 ounces. Next up, we're adding our preservative. I'm using Optifin Plus, and we're using that at 1% for this recipe. That would be 0.20 ounces. And lastly, we're going to add in our fragrance. For this recipe, it is for 5%. I'm only going to be using 2% today at 0.25 ounces of lavender essential oil. You can obviously go up or down if you need to adjust, and you're just going to adjust your water combination. So if you only wanted to do 3% fragrance, then you would add the 2% to your water. Mix well until combined. I typically try to take at least a minute to make sure that everything is well combined before adding them into your bottle of choice. Here's the breakdown of the recipe itself. Here I am using a blue 2-ounce container and an amber 4-ounce container for this room spray. Now we label the 2 and 4 ounce sprays. I'm advertising these as a body mist, but the same recipe can be used as a body mist, a car spray, a room spray, whatever you'd prefer. I hope you enjoyed this multi-purpose recipe. Please like and subscribe and leave a comment below if there's something else you'd like to see. Thank you, and I'll see you next Thursday. Bye-bye.